Okay, number 11, the determinant of C. So C is equal to -4, 2, 1, -1. Therefore, the determinant of C is going to be -4 times -1 minus 1 times 2. So that is 4 minus 2. So the determinant of C is equal to 2. Let's go ahead and work number 12 over here. So number 12 is 1/2 of A plus C. A and C are both 2 by 2 matrices, so this is allowed. So this is 1/2. So it's going to be A plus C. So that's 3, 2, 19, 13. That's A. Plus C, which is -4, 2, 1, -1. So this all is going to be 1/2. 3 plus -4 is -1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 19 plus 1 is 20. 13 minus 1 is 12. So then I just take 1/2 of each of those numbers. I get -1/2, 2, 10, and 6. -1/2, 2, 10, 6. Problem 12.